Right now I was able to increase my fund of $900 into $1350 of $400 profit. As you can see in the screen right now, I had like 7 win, 1 2 3 4 5 6 win and 1 loss by using a 5-second trading strategy, which I'm going to show you in this video. And it is extremely simple strategy that anyone can use right after watching this video. So watch this video very carefully, because I'm not only going to explain you this strategy. Firstly, I'll explain you the strategy, and I'm going to exactly show you how I made this all of these 6 and 7 trades by using that same strategy, and how I was able to make this profit. I'm going to show you this in this video. So guys, please do like this video, because it will help this video to reach to more people, and it will help more people to earn with this exact strategy. And this is the exact strategy that some of my VIP copy traders and my Telegram subscribers are also using, and they are making good amount of profit by using this strategy. So I would definitely suggest you to test it in your demo account firstly, and if it is working for you at that exact time, then use it in your real account immediately. So now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. Oh my god, one thing I forgot: if you want to copy my trades automatically in your account to make profit on a daily basis, then do join my free Telegram channel and see the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. My VIP copy traders make profit automatically in their account without trading by themselves, so do check out that also. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to select all of this currency pair that is giving you a payout of over $90, sorry, 90%. Here you can see, just make these stars yellow and it will appear at here. Once you do this much, then just select the candlestick time frame as 30. That means each of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. Once you do this much, then you need to decide the time, that I mean trading time, and that trading time is going to be of S5. That means 5 seconds. In 5 seconds, each of these trades will be closed, and you can decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. So now the strategy is extremely simple. As you can see here, let's say this candle is okay. One important thing, this timer should appear at here, okay? And if this timer is not appearing, just click on here, okay, and then click on this. If it is off, make it on, and your timer will appear at here, okay? And let's see, there is 6 seconds remaining. I'll explain you the strategy. Okay, once again, now next candle is forming. This is whenever the 25-second is here, if it is green, you make trade by clicking on higher, okay? And if in 25 seconds the candle is red, you make trade by clicking on lower. You only do that much. Now I'll keep quiet and show you the exact video where I was able to make 6 trades profit by using this simple concept. So do watch that very carefully, and again, don't forget to like this video. Let's get started.